Imagine your family wants to plan a 2-week summer vacation. Here's how you could use Agile methods. You'd start with a general goal like, we want a fun family vacation. Then you'd break it into smaller parts, such as choosing a destination, planning activities, and budgeting. Working in short sprints, you might spend 1 week focusing on each part. You'd have quick family meetings where everyone shares ideas for 5 to 10 minutes each day. Being flexible is key. If you find out a place is too expensive or someone has a great new idea, you can easily change plans. Getting everyone's input is important, so after each week, you'd have a family meeting to discuss progress and get feedback. As you go along, you adapt and improve. If someone finds a cool activity or better deal, you can quickly add it to the plan. You're not stuck with early decisions if better options come up. Everyone gets a say, so the whole family is more excited about the trip. You can deal with unexpected issues, like a hotel being fully booked, more easily. Plus, the plan keeps improving. This is how Agile methods work in real life, whether you're planning a vacation, developing an app, or managing a big work project. It's all about being flexible, working in small steps, and constantly improving based on feedback. Was this helpful? Subscribe for more videos or visit simpleshow.com for more resources. Leave your questions or suggestions in the comments. We love hearing from you.